to buy narcotics. I count every time she set me up, there's 160 licks. Can't even count the songs I made in a month, there's 160 hits. They say you keep on evolving, how you so steady with it? They say her pockets swollen, you gotta show me the shit. Better tell how I'm doing.